What's up guys, it's Machanga back with another video. I have not reviewed an all-in-one on my channel and I've gotten several requests from many of you for some desktop recommendations. I received the HP Envy 32-inch all-in-one from HP a few months ago and I've been using it since then for a few different tasks. I can go ahead and tell you that this is a great desktop computer for working from home, virtual academy, gaming, and for entertainment. This is a productivity powerhouse. If you want to get more information about it, including current pricing, check the affiliate links below in the video description. So let's jump into the specs. This has a 32-inch 4K display. It's running the 10th gen Intel Core i7-10700 CPU, 16 gigs of RAM, a 512 gigabyte SSD, a 1 terabyte hard drive, 32 gigs of Intel Optane memory, and the NVIDIA RTX 2070 Max-Q GPU. The specs on this machine are great, especially for creative professionals that might not have a powerful laptop or a newer desktop at home. In the box, you get the multi-device USB keyboard and mouse combo. Both are wireless with Bluetooth capabilities and run off AAA batteries. Now, the keyboard is full size. Most of my keyboards don't have a number pad, so it was a welcome change. The typing experience is decent. I'm a ThinkPad user, so most keyboards don't really excite me, and this one is no exception. But for getting work done, this is perfectly capable. You don't have to worry about running a cable across your desk. Plus, there's this neat tray at the top here for your phone or tablet, and I like conveniences. The mouse is a bit small and flat for my taste, but it hasn't stuttered or froze on me, so it'll be good enough for most people. The NV32 also comes with this nice, beefy 330 watt power adapter. Let's look at the ports we get. On the back, we have the power port, Ethernet port, 2 HDMI ports, one in and one out, 2 USB Type-A ports, a USB-C port, and a Thunderbolt 3 port. Around the right side, we have the power button and another USB Type-A port. On the left, there's the headphone microphone combo jack and the full-size SD card reader. Something I don't normally see is a wireless charger built into the base of the computer. It's been great to just put my phone down right in front of me and out of the way. So it's obvious this is a large computer, and that's not a bad thing here. The design is sleek with slim bezels. It's much more modern when compared to something like the iMac. The 32-inch 4K screen is gorgeous. It's bright at almost 600 nits of brightness. It's color accurate, covering 100% sRGB. So if you edit photos or videos, this screen is great to work on. Of course, once you're ready to watch movies or shows, this screen is amazing for media consumption. HP calls this color Nightfall Black. It looks more like a charcoal to me, but it looks good. The screen can be tilted a bit, but that's the only adjustment you can make. I was a bit sad that the screen isn't touch compatible, but we can't have everything, can we? Moving right below the screen is the three-way design Bang & Olufsen speaker system. HP claims you get theater sound, and I agree. The audio quality is exceptional. I can't reasonably expect you to hear how good it really is through YouTube, but I'm not exaggerating. It's that good. Watching Netflix and listening to music on this NV32 has been a major upgrade from my normal desktop experience. So you probably won't notice this right away, but there's also a webcam here at the top of the display. I like this integration. It's a 5 megapixel IR privacy camera with an integrated quad array digital microphone. In my opinion, it's good for Zoom calls and Google Meets. It also works great for Windows Hello facial recognition. Now, having a great design doesn't mean much if the performance can't deliver. The Intel Core i7 paired with the RTX 2070 means you get the power needed for video editing, AutoCAD, programming, gaming, and almost anything else you can throw at this computer. You can see the benchmarks on the screen, but in the real world, the performance has been nearly flawless. With normal web browsing, using Visual Studio, and the full Microsoft 365 suite, I didn't experience any slowdown. We've been able to play several games at 1080p with high settings with no problems. I wouldn't encourage playing in 4K, and I feel like most people won't try that anyway. This is a gaming GPU, so it isn't likely to struggle in most games. The fans have been pretty good and not loud even under heavy load. Touching the back of the NV32, it won't be hot to the touch, so thermals are well managed. For those of you wondering about possible upgrades to the internals, you can upgrade the RAM and the M.2 drives. I wasn't too happy about getting Realtek Wi-Fi 5 instead of Wi-Fi 6, but I feel like most households are still using Wi-Fi 5 routers and modem combos, so it's not that big of a deal. So who do I think can benefit from the HP NV32 all-in-one? Honestly, a lot of people. Students, content creators, gamers, programmers, graphic designers, anyone working from home right now can benefit from this machine. If you can afford the $2,400 price tag, then it's a good buy. Also, if you're considering the Apple iMac, this is a better bang for your buck purchase if you don't need the macOS ecosystem. I know some people may talk about building a custom PC, and I've done that, but I don't think that's the target consumer for this category of machine. If you want something that is an all-in-one solution with the monitor and PC and a nice already assembled package, I don't think there's any comparable competitor to the Envy right now. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this one. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you feel like it, jump down in the comment section and let me know you like it. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you tap the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I post something new. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.